Hey guys, today we're going to talk quickly about qualified leads. So what exactly is a qualified lead? Well, these leads are people who have got a potential interest in your products and services, and you establish this through some form of market research. Let's say you run a crystal shop, for example. You want to get stones out there for people, you've got tarot cards, you've got horoscopes, things like that. Now, let's say somebody wants to sign up to your subscription newsletter for horoscopes. Now, these would be a qualified lead because they have some interest in your brand, and you're going to be building brand awareness whenever you send a newsletter out and they look at the newsletter and they get their monthly horoscope, for example. You can also use qualified leads in sort of areas of marketing like fostering, for example, where, for example, you'd be looking for people who match certain criteria. So, for example, they've got to be of a certain age, they've got to have their own house. You can send around a quick survey to see whether or not people are interested in that. We've actually run marketing programs which are like this, where people had to basically hit 3 different criteria in order to be a qualified lead, and then we'd pass that on to the fostering company. So qualified leads are really, really good because these are people that are our audience that we really want to market to. So it's really, really good if you can find a way to qualify your leads and you know exactly what you're looking for. Let's say you want to sell a load of Sasuke figurines from Naruto. A good way to sort of figure out whether or not people are qualified leads or not is if you're putting out a Facebook ad, you can always target people who specifically like Naruto. So these people would be qualified leads as well because they might like it. I mean, who the heck who watches Naruto and actually likes Sasuke, God only knows, but you know, that would be a qualified lead because they'll be aware of the program, they'll be aware of the character, they'll be aware of they'll be aware then when they see the advert, they'll be aware that there's a product, and if they like the product, they may buy the product. Anyway, hope this has been helpful. You have a lovely day. Take care. Bye.